Hello everyone, this is Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you that how I became fluent in English by practicing into the mirror. As well as along with it, I will tell you that how to practice English speaking in front of the mirror. Guys, let me one thing. Do you want to know about this? If yes, you watch this video till the end. As well as guys, I will tell you that what is fluency. Everybody says about fluency. Everybody says fluency. What is fluency? Well, you watch this video till the end. If you watch this video till the end, then you will know what is fluency and you will know a lots of knowledge, and this video is going to very prominent and helpful for you all. So you watch this video till then. Without further delay, let's begin the video. Guys, do you want to know about this? I know you really want to know about this. Let's see. Guys, everybody says fluency, but none of them tell what is fluency. No. But I would like to say that here, what is fluency? Really, I will tell you. Firstly, I want to tell about fluency. Then I will explain about how to practice English speaking easily in front of the mirror. Let's see. What is fluency? The ability to speak or write a language easily, well and quickly. Guys, what does it mean? It means that इसको तो मैंने इंग्लिश में बता दिया, लेकिन अब मैं हिंदी में बता रही हूँ कि फ्लुएंसी क्या है। फ्लुएंसी वो है किसी भाषा को आसानी से, अच्छी तरह, शीघ्रता से बोलने और लिखने की क्षमता को फ्लुएंसी कहते हैं, प्रवाह कहते हैं, जिसे इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंसी और हिंदी में प्रवाह कहते हैं। वेल गाइस, यू मस्ट नो अबाउट फ्लुएंसी। वेल, I hope you understood about fluency. What is fluency? What is the meaning of fluency? I hope you understood. Guys, first of all, you should know about my fluency. How did I practice in front of the mirror easily? Well, let's see. Guys, first of all, I would like to say here, when I was learning English at that time, I knew how to write, how to understand, how to think in English, how to read English, but I didn't know how to speak English. I asked to my friend, but nobody helped me and nobody told me that how to practice English speaking easily in front of the mirror. But one day, I tried to speak English, but I failed. After a few minutes, I got an idea. I should practice English speaking in front of the mirror. At that time, I thought that this is the very best idea for me. I should try. At least I should try. I will not able to speak English in a day, but at least I should try. Then I tried to speak English. As well as here, I would like to say that I used to start my English practicing from my daily routine. I would like to say here, you should try to speak English from your daily routine. This is a very best method. You can say method, technique or tips. But I got this idea, then I did. But how did I practice? How many days did you take to get fluency? Yes, of course, your question is absolutely right. I'm going to give answer. I tried to speak English in front of the camera. I failed. I was not able to concentrate my mind, as well as I was not able to make eye contact because it was my first day and I only practiced for 5 minutes. I had no one with whom I practice. That's why I chose this option. You know guys, it's very easy to practice in front of mirror. It is not difficult to practice in front of mirror. Guys, I hope you understood my story. If you are giving your effort again and again, one day you will definitely get your result very soon. I promise you, I guarantee you, because I did. That's why I'm telling about this. Guys, effort is everything. Means प्रयास सब कुछ है. That's why You should give 100% effort in English practicing in front of the mirror. You give 100% your effort in English practicing in front of the mirror. Then you will able to speak English fluently, confidently, without any fear, hesitation. Well, I hope you understood about this. Let's see how to practice in front of the mirror. This is the mirror with which I practice. This mirror is small in size. But guys, I would like to say here, mirror is small in size or big in size, it does not matter. Matter is our practicing. I took maximum 15 days for English practicing in front of the mirror. Yes guys, maximum 15 days. मैंने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 15 दिन प्रैक्टिस किया, not more, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. But I got result very soon. When I was practicing in front of the mirror, guys, as the time passed, I was getting result very soon. Let's see guys, how to practice in front of the mirror. It does not matter what you know. At least you should try. At least you should give your 100% in English speaking. I would like to say here one thing more. If you have a mirror, you can practice by standing or by sitting. It does not matter. You can practice by sitting and by standing. But at least you should try. I am telling 100% right. Yes. I started English practicing from my daily routine. How did I practice? Let's see. First, I talked to myself. Hi Vita, when you are trying to speak English in front of the mirror, you have to make a concentration. Yes, then you will able to speak English. First, you say, hi Vita, hi, how are you? I'm fine. And when did you get up in the morning? When did you get up in the morning today? I got up in the morning at 7 o'clock because I was unwell. That's why I got up late. That's why I woke up late. And after then, what did you do? I swept in my all rooms and I did something. You watch my video with concentration because I am telling you that how to practice in front of the mirror with concentration. Yes. If you are not making your concentration while practicing into the mirror, guys, it means that you are not able to speak English. You have to make concentration before speaking English in front of the mirror. First you control your mind, then you speak. And along with it, you have to make eye contact. You will not able to speak English without eye contact. So you must have to make eye contact while speaking English in front of the mirror or while speaking English in front of any one person, any one people. Yes, got it? Yes. I hope you understood my all point very well. Let's see. Yes. And then what did you do? And then after, what did you do? Yes, I had breakfast. And then I rested for a few minutes because I had to study. When you are speaking English, when you are practicing English in front of the mirror, you have to move your hand while speaking, while practicing English in front of the mirror. मतलब गाइस कि आप अगर इंग्लिश में बोल रहे, अगर आप शीशा के सामने इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं तो आपको अपने हाथ को मूव करना है ताकि आपकी बॉडी जो है ना वो मतलब आपके आवाज के अकॉर्डिंग रहे, आपका फेस भी उसी तरह रहे जैसे आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं। आपकी जो भी इंग्लिश निकल रही है, आप शीशा में बोल रहे हैं, आपकी आवाज भी उसी तरह होनी चाहिए। मतलब जो आवाज जैसी आपकी निकल रही, आपका फेस भी उसी तरह होना चाहिए और आपकी बॉडी भी उसी तरह। और as well as if you are talking, if you are practicing English in front of the mirror, you have to notice one thing more, which is your smile. Yes, your smile as well as your facial expression. You have to speak English with a smile. You don't look any partner. Your mirror is your own partner and it will give you a lot of confidence in English speaking, in English fluency. You have to also practice like me. because this is the best method to practice of English speaking alone at home. Guys, I hope you understood whatever I told you. You don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.